Being on top of your real project costs is a key factor to running profitable projects. Accurate and timely capture of employee and subcontractor hours is a surefire way to achieve this. Today we are going to showcase the ability of MYOB Advanced to capture and approve these times. How you capture your time is configurable to your business model. Let's take a look at the summary timesheet or timecard screen. In this example, the employee has 8 regular hours on one project as a project manager. There has been an issue at another project site and the employee has travelled to that site and worked 2 hours overtime. This overtime and travel cannot be billed to the customer, so let's untick the billable checkbox. The employee knows they are on leave tomorrow, so can enter the 8 hours leave, which by default is not assigned to a project, but it can be if required. You can start the timesheet and then build on it during each day of the week or enter at the end of each week. It really depends on how your workforce and admin teams operate. This summary timesheet data we have entered flows through to the Detail tab. You can update the data, for example for specific descriptions for each entry, or add additional lines. Alternatively, you can start your timesheet entry in this detailed mode. Once the timecard is complete, it can be submitted to a manager for approval. When logged in as the manager, they can go in and approve the timesheet. Alternatively, an email notification can be sent to the employee approving the timesheet, and they can approve or reject by clicking on the link in the email. When you have teams that work as a crew on a project, you can enter times in bulk for that crew who have essentially all worked on the same project and subtasks. You create a work group and assign members. The time entry process is the same as in the example above. When all crew members work on the same project or tasks, you can perform a bulk time entry. I select all members of the crew and enter the times per day. This then populates the weekly crew time entry screen where I can make individual employee updates. This is very helpful when you want your leading hand or site supervisor to do the timesheet entry rather than individual crew members. Knowing how your projects are tracking enables you to make informed decisions about the next steps and the scheduling of future work. Timely data capture is the key. An MYOB Advanced mobile app is a way you can achieve this. You can empower your employees and subbies to enter their own timesheets by their MYOB Advanced mobile application. The app can be run on any device, anywhere, anytime. These times can then be reviewed and approved as required prior to posting into the project, thus ensuring accuracy in your data. Now that your man hours are recorded on your projects, you have to pay your employees and subbies. No more double entry of timesheet data into payroll. With MYOB Advanced Payroll, the timesheet data from projects is also imported into payroll. Let's see how easy this is. To save time in this demo, I have imported the timesheet data and mapped it into the payroll module. Now we simply import this into the pay run. The timesheet data imports as a summarised total per pay item. Our timesheet had employee Ming Hu working on multiple projects, which totaled 24 regular hours, 2 hours overtime and 8 hours leave, as you can see summarised here. It's as simple as that. The time savings for your admin teams are significant and will free them up to work on other value-adding tasks for your business. MYOB Advanced timesheet functionality doesn't stop there. Equipment use and costs can also be assigned to projects and project tasks via the equipment timesheet. Let's say you need to track machine usage hours for safety checks or for use in future estimating similar projects. We simply record this data on the equipment timecard. This scissor lift was used on multiple projects, and we are going to bill the customer for the use of this lift on project 120. As you can see, MYOB Advanced single point timesheet capture can really deliver timely and accurate information on your labour and equipment performance against your budget, whilst also making payday processing much quicker and error-free.